We have a 2013 Toyota Corolla. It was brought in today to do a backup camera. This car comes with a factory touchscreen from Toyota, but it did not have the factory backup camera. So we added an adapter to be able to keep the factory radio and just add the camera to it. So now we go into reverse and the backup camera kicks in, shows the parking assist lines. Go into drive, goes away, reverse, and park the vehicle. Now this adapter is available for some vehicles. Not all of them can have the aftermarket camera added to the screen. If you want to see if this can be done to your vehicle, come by the shop and we'll give you all the different options available for your kind of car or truck. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This is a 2013 Toyota Corolla. Backup camera added to the factory touchscreen. We'll see you guys on the next one.